Hello, everyone. My name is Kirk Wheeler, and today I'm going to show you about an amazing opportunity called My Lottery Store. This opportunity will be launching internationally in September, October. Um, this is amazing, y'all. I don't know what to tell you. I'm not a video maker. I'm not a YouTuber, but I am a marketer, and I do know business. So I'm showing you today about a new opportunity that's going to be. I promise you, it's going to take over the industry. Just think about this. Right now, people have to go to the grocery stores and the gas stations, places like that that sells lottery tickets to buy lottery tickets, right? Well, just last year, just this last month, there's over $1.4 billion worth of lottery tickets sold that didn't even win. What if you could get a piece of that? What if you actually had your own lottery system franchise online and you could actually sell the lotto tickets, yourself? What if you made 50 cents for each ticket that you sold? Now think about this. What if you could actually offer this same franchise to your family and friends or even other business owners? Business owners. See, other business owners have what we call foot traffic. That's why the gas stations sell lottery tickets. People are coming in all day long. So what if you could offer this same franchise to other businesses? Your friend has the nail salon, your friend that has the barber shop, your friend that has the shoe salon, your friend at the flea market. What if you could actually sell lottery tickets and get paid 50 cents for each ticket? You get paid for each ticket that they sell. Not only do they get paid, but you get paid. What if you had 10 other people selling tickets, 50 other businesses, 100, 1,000 other businesses? Let's watch a quick video, a 30-second video that's going to give you an idea of what I'm talking about.
The lottery is an $80 billion industry. Convenience stores make half of 1% of a ticket sold if it wins. Over 1.4 billion tickets are sold per month that aren't winners of a jackpot. Now, imagine if you could make 50 cents per ticket. Imagine if you could also make 1% of a jackpot sold. Now imagine that all of this is done online and on an app, and you owned the online convenience store to do this. Welcome to My Lottery Store affiliate program.
That's amazing, y'all. What if that were you right there? What if you could actually run your own lottery store and get paid 50 cents for every single ticket? This is amazing. What if you actually could, help other people do the exact same thing and you get paid for that too? You get paid for every ticket they sell. Guess what? You could actually own your own franchise right now for the unbelievable price of only $99. That's it. No setup fees, no monthly fees, no contracts. Simply $99 and you have your own lottery store forever. And you can actually market these to your family and friends so they can do the exact same thing. And now everyone is winning, right? Because people, their statistics prove that people that play the lottery are 90% retention, meaning they're going to play every week, they're going to play every month, they're going to play every year. Instead of having to get up out of their chair, going to the store or the gas station, they can simply log on to your website from their computer or their mobile phone and buy a lottery ticket, and you get paid. If you need more information, y'all, comment here on the video, get back with me, email me at support at playthelotteryworldwide.com. That's support at playthelotteryworldwide.com. You can get with me then. I can get you more information, get you set up, and and let you know how you can take advantage of this industry that is about to launch this coming month. Have a great rest of your day.